they get transparent. Since we're going to make a sauce and we're going to simmer it, it's not so critical. But you can saute. The reason you're sauteing them is to bring the flavor out, take the flavor from raw onion down to cooked onion, and then the level below that or above that, depending on how you want to go, is caramelize. You know what caramelizing is? So what is caramel?
Ah, okay, yeah. Yep, now I know what this is.
So to make a caramel sauce, what do you do to the sugar?
And then it's in the...
Yeah, you melt it and you bring it almost till it's burnt, till it changes color. You're doing the same thing to caramelize onions. So I think we're to the point now where you can add 2 of those spoonfuls of the garlic. And this oil is fine because it's garlic flavored oil. So hold it over there and dump 2 of those in. Right. And now make sure you wipe the top of the jar so that it's and you can put it back in the fridge. Where did it come from? In the door. So yeah, you put stuff back where it came from, because then if for some reason you went blind, you want to give that a stir to get that in mixed in.
Yeah.
Stir it. So if for some reason you went blind in the next 24 hours and you were asked where the garlic is, you would know exactly where the fucking garlic is. And likewise, if you wash the windows and you took the window washing bucket and stuff off the shelf in the cellar, and then you were done window washing, where would you put the bucket and the window washing stuff?
Exactly.